Hello everybody, do you love chicken livers? Then this is a must try recipe. This is chicken liver masala. This is very delicious. You need onions, garlic, ginger, cinnamon sticks, cloves and star anise seeds. These are the spice mix I use. Then half a tomato or one tomato you can use, and chilies. Next you need chicken livers 500 grams. Now everything is chopped. Ginger, garlic, chili, onions, the spice mix are blended. Then the tomato, you can use one tomato, chop it properly. Next you need one medium sized potato. Chop them evenly. So the chicken liver is ready to cook. You can add water just above the chicken livers. Add 1 tablespoon of salt during this time, and when the pan is just heated, you can add the rest of the ingredients, namely the ginger, garlic, chilies and the small onions. I prefer small onions to be added in dishes like chicken and beef because it is more spicy than the bigger ones. Bigger one seems to be more sweet in taste, so this gives a good spicy flavor to the recipe. Now I have added the small onions, and this small onions will absorb more fat as well. Now you can just give a small mix. After you see some boiling, starts to boil, then it's time to add the blended spices, that the cinnamon sticks, star anise and the cloves. It's always good to add the spice mix prepared in our home rather than using the spice powders from the shops. This gives a good flavor when cooked with the small onions. This spice mix particularly gives the dish a very good flavor. Now you can close it for 10 to 15 minutes. This is a time to cook. Now after 15 minutes you can open. You can see you can add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, or you can add crushed chilies. Give it a good mix. Now the onions are almost cooked and the chicken liver is also cooking. Now you can get a good smell. Now it's time to add the tomatoes. So then you can add potatoes. Mix it well. Potatoes can be chopped. You can chop it into little more small sizes. And you can cover it for another 10 minutes. Let it be there and cook. So after 10 minutes it's opened. You can see the potatoes are cooked. You can add the crushed peppercorns, and again after 2-3 minutes you can see it's ready. You can add some cilantro to garnish, and our recipe is ready. This is not too thick, not too much gravy. It's a very good masala for chapatis, breads, rice. It's very delicious. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of oil during the last minute just before turning off the flame. Oil is not a must in this recipe. You can use without oil as well. That does not uh, decrease the taste of your recipe. So this is a must try recipe. You should try this and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.